SQL Server Management Studio. What does SQL Management Studio do? SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, is an integrated atmosphere for managing any SQL infrastructure, from SQL Server to Azure SQL Data Source. SSMS gives devices to set up, keep track of, as well as carry out instances of SQL Web Server and data sources. Microsoft SQL Web Server Management is an innovative growth environment that allows us to set up, handle and also supervise SQL Web Server database engines. SQL Server Management Studio is preferred as well as widely utilized by the database designers and managers due to the complying with advantages, cost-free, advanced customer experience, different add-in alternatives. A main attribute of SSMS is the Item Explorer, which permits the customer to browse, choose, and act upon any of the things within the server. It likewise delivered a separate Express version that could be easily downloaded and installed. However, current variations of SSMS are totally capable of attaching to as well as take care of any SQL Web Server Express instance. Microsoft also included backward compatibility for older versions of SQL Web Server, hence enabling a more recent version of SSMS to attach to older variations of SQL Server instances. It additionally includes Microsoft SQL Web Server Express 2012, or users can download it individually. About SQL Server Management Studio Training Certification. SQL Server Management Studio training accreditations can be very beneficial and also useful for some companies, employers, as well as to some SQL professionals directly. According to several surveys, 35% of respondents experienced a pay rise post-certification, and 48% think Microsoft SQL Server qualifications are handy in improving work possibilities. The primary objective of this SQL Server training is to offer each student the expertise and also tricks to be effective as an exercising SQL DBA. The pupil will gain confidence in their SQL Web Server understanding and find out the techniques as well as catches of the SQL examination. Significance of SQL Server Management Studio training in 2021. Currently, DAYS firms are currently locating those people that are knowledgeable in SQL. It's something to have the capacity to get a high wage. However, companies recognize the well-worth that somebody that is experienced in SQL leads to their organization and also need to hire these individuals. Likewise, in case you intend to transform a job, discovering SQL makes you a favorably searched for prospect. Reasons to learn SQL. High-paying jobs. Basic troubleshooting. Combine data from several resources. Information adjustment. Quick accessibility to data. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for SQL Server Management Studio training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best SQL training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for SQL Server training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/